Let's read sentences, sight words. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hello kids! Welcome back to my channel, and this is me again, Teacher Riri. Today, we are going to read sight words sentences. I am going to read it first and you can follow me after. Are you ready? Let's start. I see a cat. I see a cat. The duck is big. The duck is big. We can run. We can run. You are my friend. You are my friend. It is a red ball. It is a red ball. Look at me. Look at me. I like the sun. I like the sun. She can jump. She can jump. He is funny. He is funny. We go to school. We go to school. I am happy. I am happy. The car is black. The car is black. This is my toy. This is my toy. Can you help me? Can you help me? They play with me. They play with me. The dog can jump. The dog can jump. I have a hat. I have a hat. We like to read. We like to read. Come and see. Come and see. She can draw a cat. She can draw a cat. Good job, kids! Don't forget to keep reading and learning. Thank you for watching. Till next time.